Mastering modals in the passive voice, Unraveling the Mystery. Hello learners! In today's lesson, we're diving deeper into the world of English grammar, specifically focusing on the passive voice with modals. Modals are special types of verbs that express possibility, necessity, permission, or ability. And when combined with passive voice, they become a powerful tool in English communication. Let's jump right in. Modals are helping verbs like can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must. The passive voice is when the subject of the sentence is not doing the action but is being acted upon. The general formula for passive voice with modals is subject plus modal plus be plus past participle. For example, in the sentence, the cake must be eaten. The cake is the subject. Must is the modal. Be is the auxiliary verb. And eaten is the past participle. Let's look at some examples of passive voice with modals for a better understanding. 1. The work can be done by tomorrow. Possibility. 2. This issue should be addressed immediately. Advice. 3. The tickets must be bought in advance. Necessity. 4. The report might have been sent already. Speculation. 5. The room will be cleaned later. Future. In all these examples, the focus is not on who performs the action, but rather the action itself. Just as with any other sentences, we can also form questions and negatives with modals in the passive voice. For example, question: can the project be completed on time? Negative: the project cannot be completed on time. Question: should these books be returned to the library? Negative: these books should not be returned to the library. Remember to move the modal to the start of the sentence to form a question, and add not after the modal to form a negative sentence. That wraps up our lesson on passive voice with modals. I hope it has been clear and beneficial for you. With regular practice, you can master using modals in the passive voice, making your English more versatile and precise. Keep practicing, and remember, language learning is a journey, not a race. See you in the next lesson.